I'll be making a delicacy from the south of Nigeria called Edikaikong vegetable soup made with water leaves and Ugu leaves. That's the pumpkin leaves. If you want to know how I prepare this pot of yummy goodness, stay tuned to the end so that you can make it for yourself. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. This food needs lots of proteins. You could use any protein you want, goat meat, but I'm using beef meat. They also need stockfish. We're going to be cooking this together and make sure they are well done and tender. While cooking it, we're just going to be adding our seasoning cubes and peppers and little salt. Be careful with salt in the soup because it easily gets salty. When the meat is cooked, we add our okpeye and cook a little while, then bring down the pot and then start making our soup. We dry up the pot, add in the water leaves to this dried pot. The essence is for the water leaves to dry a little bit. We want the water in this water leaves to be well dried. We don't want it to make our soup watery, so that's what we're going to be doing. We do this like a minute or two and then wash the water dried. When it's dried, we'll start adding in back our cooked proteins. You know, that is the beef, the pomo, that's the cow skin, and the stockfish. We'll also add in our crayfish. In this meal, we need lots of crayfish, okay? In Nigerian soups, we need lots of crayfish. We're also going to be adding our dried fish into the soup. Like I told you before, we need lots of proteins for this food. Then I'm adding in back blended scotch bonnet peppers and Okpeye. That is the local seasoning I put in mine. It adds to the taste. If you don't, you can skip, okay? Then you add in palm oil. In cooking this soup, you need lots of palm oil. If you watch, I added lots of oil. Oil is like the water in the soup, okay? No water is needed, but you need that palm oil, okay? It makes the soup taste so good, okay? So we're going to be adding seasoning cubes, and remember I told you to always be careful with your salt. So this time we're really going to be very careful with how we add in our salt, okay? We're just going to mix in, cover up the pot and allow it boil a little while. Then first for salt and seasoning cubes, be careful while adding the salt, pinch by pinch. Then if everything is in the right proportion, then add your Ugu leaves. Please, when slicing this Ugu leaves, slice them into tiny pieces, and that is how it's done for this soup. And then again, there's something I did not say in the beginning. You have to measure your Ugu and water leaf. They have to be almost equal for you to get this perfect edikaikong, okay? I will try and explain in my description. Try and check it to know how to adjust and how to measure your Ugu and your water leaf, okay? We're also going to be adding in our periwinkles. Remember, the Ugu, you don't have to overcook it. You just add the periwinkles. You just stir like 1 minute, still on fire, and then I also added more palm oil because, as I told you, palm oil is like water in the soup to make it yummy, you know. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your engagement. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.